Yeah. Yeah. Almost on. What was that? Lil Rich? Hey, what's up, man? I ain't recognize you.
You
Yeah.
like to go live, huh?
Yeah.
Join my live.
So,
Dominoes 7.
what's that? What's that? Oh, that's your Facebook Live?
No, that's Instagram.
Instagram Live. What's that? What's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. I forgot I was. So anyway, not the high order.
That's my mom on your show.
That's your mom? Oh, shit. Does she want to be on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Hey, how you doing? You on the show? What? Erica, you on the show?
Whoa, what's up, baby?
Facebook Live. I'm gonna hold on to this Carrot's Lemonade in here. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. So what you gotta say?
Oh, what's up, Domino?
All right.
Where you been at?
I went across the river to get some natural lemonade from a bakery.
I can see it.
Huh?
I can see what it look like.
Oh yeah. Is that Janai right there?
Who?
Oh, huh? Oh, in a few minutes. I'm on. You're on the show. You're supposed to call me Domino while I'm recording. So. All right. All right. Oh, look at John. What's up, John? You on the show? You was supposed to call me too while I'm filming. You know, not while I'm filming. It's Domino while I'm filming. Okay. Hey, Tawana. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. We're at Santana's. We're at Santana's birthday party. Okay. So let me go around. I should have stood out. All right. Let's see the birthday boy. All right. About to do my recording. Hey, Janai. How you doing? I'm glad to see you. Being so mean. Janai always being mean. I don't know why. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just made it to the party. Okay. All right. So the birthday boy over there. Hey, Santana. Oh, wait. Happy birthdays. All right. All right. Here's the birthday boy, everybody. All right. Hey, Journey on TV. Say hey. All right. Oh, you recording too? Oh, you and my recording going on YouTube. Yeah, you on the show right now, man. You on the show right now? Yeah, my show. Facebook Live as well. Yeah. Oh. All right. So hey, what's up? How you doing? All right. Say what's up, Ron? What you got to say? Oh, yeah, Eva. Yeah. All right. Oh, yours going on YouTube as well? Huh? All righty. Yeah, you can put me on. All right. All right. So, sorry about that. I want to get out the shot. All right. So anyway, y'all, I'm just here doing my thing. I'm eating a few, you know. So we just say hey to the birthday boy and stuff like that, you know. So you see, when you have parties like this, you gotta Hey, little Richard, who is this?
My daughter.
Oh, congratulations.
My daughter, Linux.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, bro.
All right, I'm happy for you.
That's a model right there.
Oh, hey. You're on the Domino 7 show. All right. Well, Facebook Live. Okay. All right. So, So you just made your did be on the show. All right. Yeah, so yeah, we coming out with new people every day. You know. So anyway, y'all, I'm just bad weekend, not last weekend and stuff like that. So everything is good now. Okay. 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 All right. All right.
Why y'all can't come outside?
All right. All right. Yeah. So I must say, Rich, I'm happy for your brother. All right. All right. All right. Yeah, it's a loving family here, y'all. All right. So, little Richard, anything you want to say before I stop?
No face, no case.
No what?
No face, no case.
No, all right. well, whatever you say, brother. And cut on this one. All right, y'all, welcome back to the show. Well, cut on the Facebook Live.